Good morning, guys. I've just woken up, and I realised what I did last night. We were gonna do the challenge. Ali, put your hands up so you could show them. Yeah, we're gonna be handcuffed to each other.
And if you don't, because you're too late, because you're in bed, so you could make the challenge. Do you want me to take them off for you?
No, we're gonna keep them on for a tiny bit, I think.
Okay, so you're gonna have to kick your Batman now,
Unless you don't want them on anymore, because these are hard, you know. I spent a whole night with this.
They really hurt. Like Grace was going that way, yeah, and I wanted to go this way. It really
Say I went like this,
and I went like.
it would really tug on your skin. Like, it was so hard.
But then she went that way and I went that way. She pulled me that way instead. Who handed this? Who handed this? Who handed this? I'm watching. Left.
Right, ready? We're gonna do the amazing thing that we've wanted to do for ages. Ready? What's it? Let me set it up so they can see. Right. Right. Go for it.
Done.
Oh, do you see that mark? Oh my actual god. Anyway, guys, that was the end of this video. I thought we should just share it with you that we did that all night and it's bloody hurts. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this, don't forget to give it, well, I mean, there's not much enjoyment to have, but anyway, if you liked it, if you did enjoy this, don't forget to give it a
like, a subscribe,
a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already,
subscribe
and turn my notifications on. Turn my notifications on, and comment down below #notification squad, and then one of your social medias, and I will follow it or like spree it. So, or you could get a shout out. So yeah, type what you want me to do to your account, and put it down with #notification squad. But remember, don't just do that so you get a free shout out without turning the bell on, because I can see whether you do or not. So if you just type it without, I'm not gonna shout you out. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, big thumbs up, and I'll see you.
Friday night.
I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.